Hey guys, welcome to another video. Nokia has entered phase 2 of its Android comeback, launching a second generation phone, the new Nokia 6. So far this phone has only been announced in China, but we have a feeling it might be heading to the rest of the world too, just as the original Nokia 6 did. The Nokia 6 boldly introduced the world in 2017 to a new breed of Nokia phones. The design story was everything, with talk of durability and precision. Once again, the new Nokia 6 is crafted from a block of 6000 series aluminium and topped with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The design of the new reflects the old, with diamond-cut finishing and antenna bands tracing the top and bottom curves of the phone. There's now a fingerprint scanner on the rear of the phone, while the dual anodization process leads to a two-tone color, make the new a little more exciting than the old. The original measures 154 by 75.8 by 7.85 mm with a slight bump for the camera, while the new Nokia 6 is 148.8 by 75.8 by 8.15 mm. Display side. These two devices have the same display specs, both are 5.5 inches on the diagonal and both have a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. It's at the heart of this phone that the Nokia 6 makes its biggest move. The original 6 was an elegant-looking thing with some decent specs, but it felt like it never matched its potential because it had the entry-level Snapdragon 430 platform running things. The big change here is that the new Nokia 6 effectively moves into the mid-range, taking with it the Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 and an increase to 4 GB of RAM. The battery capacity remains the same at 3000 mAh, although the new Nokia 6 has USB Type-C rather than the older micro USB, and also offers quick charging, again, a change for the better. There are connectivity updates for Bluetooth 2, with the new model offering Bluetooth 5, the old BT 4.1. To all intents and purposes the cameras on the Nokia 6 seconds are the same. Both have a 16 megapixel on the rear with f2.0 aperture, phase detection autofocus and dual LED flash. On the front, it comes with an 8 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. One thing that the new Nokia 6 is highlighting is the dual view feature, however, allowing you to use the front and rear camera at the same time to capture both these. This was a feature of the Nokia 8 and now seems to be heading elsewhere. And while the Nokia 6 2018 will ship with Android 7.1.1 Nougat, Nokia says that an update to Oreo is in the works. The new Nokia 6 has only been announced in China, with no word on when or if it will be coming to other regions. When the original Nokia 6 launched, the position was the same. It was a Chinese exclusive, before coming to other regions a little later, which is exactly what I expect to happen here. The strong parts of the Nokia 6 remain. There's excellent, perhaps class-leading design, and a good size of phone, but moving the fingerprint scanner to the rear has allowed it to be a little shorter. But the good news is that it steps up to be a more powerful mid-range phone with that upgraded Snapdragon 630 hard. Exactly what this will do to the price we don't know, but it could be a strong device for 2018. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel to get last updates. Thank you for your time and thanks for watching this video. Take care and peace out.